Hello and welcome to Checking In. We are checking in today to the Hyatt House in O Town, Scottsdale, Arizona. As you can see, this is an extended stay product. There's a kitchen in every room, I believe, and a separate living area. This is a pretty typical extended stay product with a separate bedroom, and as you walk through there, you come through the toilet area. There's a large walk-in closet with plenty of room. Has the typical amenities you need: ironing board and hangers, luggage rack. The bathroom looks like it has been somewhat updated recently, particularly to have the bulk amenities that are now prevalent in most hotel rooms. Here we are again. There's actually a second television in this room, so there's two in the total suite. Important to note that this hotel is exterior corridor, so it's very much in the style of a motel, not a hotel. Everything's exterior corridor. You can get straight out to the parking garage. There's a pool around here in the hotel, and complimentary breakfast is available. However, if you wanted breakfast amenities, there is tea and coffee that one can get, and looks like there is a hot stove top, a refrigerator, a freezer, even a dishwasher, and a microwave. So yes, here we are at the Hyatt House, Scottsdale, O Town.